How you doing, fans? My name is Josh. I am this guy. Welcome to the new channel. It is another fabrication and welding channel on YouTube.
Oh, hell no!
But a bit of a twist. Rather than sticking to one or two projects, we're going to do a different thing every week. But Josh, loads of people do this already. They do. So how's it going to be different? You guys decide. Every week you guys get a choice of either this or that. Could be a guide to making this. Or going through the process of making that. How do you turn this into that? How do you shape this? When do I need to use that? Why does that do this? This or that? You guys decide. But where's all this stuff going? Not a huge amount of room left. Well, once a month, we will give away one of the items made to one of you lucky guys.
What do you want?
It's not that simple.
What do you want?
All you have to do is like the video, comment on the video, and subscribe to the channel. And you'll be put into a draw at the end of the month. If I can post it there, you'll be in the chance to win.
Well, I like the sound of that.
So do I, Carl.
Hold on a second though. This is a brand new channel. How are people going to decide if they've never seen it? So, I've set out the next 2 weeks, nice and simple. Get the ball rolling. This is what you're going to see. We're going to start off strong, jumping straight at the deep end. The build video of this aluminium bomber seat. If any of you guys follow me on social media, you'll know I've made quite a few of these. For the past 10 years, they've been my bread and butter, so it seems a pretty good starting point for the channel. We'll go through all of the processes involved, from a flat sheet, all the way to a finished seat. There might be a surprise at the end of this one, so make sure you don't miss it. So, that's what we have coming up for the first week on Fantastic Fabrication and Welding Wizardry. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. We'll see you next time.